raffle is the number of a local hospital is holding a raffle as a fundraiser. The individual cost of participating in the raffle is given by the following expression: 5t plus 3, or 5 times t plus 3, where t represents the number of tickets someone purchases. Evaluate the expression when t is equal to 1, t is equal to 8, and t is equal to 10. So let's first take the situation where t is equal to 1. Then this expression right over here becomes, and I'll use that same color, it becomes 5 times 1, 5 times 1 plus 3. 5 times 1 plus 3. And we know from order of operations, you do the multiplication before you do the addition. So this will be 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3. And then this is clearly equal to, 8. Now let's do it when t is equal to 8. So when t is equal to 8, this expression becomes, and I'll do the same colors again, 5 times 8 plus 3. Plus 3, same color of green, plus 3. And once again, 5 times 8 is 40. And then we have the plus 3 there, so this is equal to 43. And so we have the last situation with t is equal to 10. I'll do that in blue. So we have 5 times 10. So 5t is 5 times 10. Instead of a t, we put a 10 there. 5 times 10 plus 3. Plus 3. That's a slightly different shade of green, but I think you get the idea. 5 times 10 is 50. We do 50, and then we're going to have to add 3 to that. And that is equal to 53. And we're done.
Assalomu alaykum hammalarga hozir vaqt xayrli bo'lsin. Va bugungi video nihoyat qisqa ekan, qarsangiz 2 minut. Buni bir misol deb turibman, namalumni o'z ichiga olgan. A local hospital is holding a raffle as a fundraiser. Bir mush yerlik doktorxona mukofotlar setish faoliyatini o'tkazibdi. Bunda nima yig'ish uchun, pul yig'ish uchun. The individual cost of participating in the raffle is given by the following expression. Har bir odamning xarjlaydigan puli mushu 5 t qo'shma 3 orqali ifodalanibdi. Agar t mushu biletning soniga vakillik qilsa deydi. Unda bo'lsa t 1 ga teng bo'lsa, 8 ga teng bo'lsa, 10 ga teng bo'lsa, jabi necha pul xarjlandi, necha pul xarjlaydi har bir odam deydi. Agar buni yozsak, sizlar t 1 ga teng bo'lganda agar t cho'ng bo'lib ketib turdi. Agar t 1 ga teng bo'lganda, u tenglimni o'rniga qo'ysak 5 t qo'shman 3. Endi bu degani 5 ko'paytiman simbol ko'paytiman 1 qo'shman 3. Ko'paytishlar qo'shish bo'lsa, avval ko'paytish ishlaymiz. Shunga 5 qo'shman 3 teng 5 qo'shman 3 teng 8. Undan ikkinchisida agar t 8 teng bo'lsa dedi. Hozir buni ishlab bildik. Agar t 1 ga teng bo'lsa, har bir odam 8 yuan xarjlaydi. Bir biletdan bir narsa bo'lsa 8 yuan xarjlaydi dedi. Agar t 8 teng bo'lsa, ya'ni shu nimani tenglimni o'rniga qo'ysak, 5t qo'shman 3 teng 5 ko'paytirilgan 8 qo'shman 3 5 ko'paytirilgan 8 necha 40 43 ni qo'shsak 43 endi 3-chi qitimda t 10 ga teng bo'lganda deydi t 10 ga teng bo'lganda yana shuni ko'chirsak agar t 10 ga teng bo'lsa yana nimani tenglimni o'rniga qo'ysak 5t qo'shman 3 teng 5 ko'paytirman 10 qo'shman 3 5 ga 10 ko'paysak necha 50 53 ni qo'shsak necha 53 50 qo'shman 3 teng 53 har bir odam 53 ga qo'shadi mana Salmanxonning qilgani shu mana 3 sonni o'rniga qo'yib dal qildi shunga bek qisqa